Hey you, intervention time. How are you handling that scroll addiction? I mean, I bet your thumb is itching to flip me away. But don't, all right? Because it's not your fault. Like everyone else, you're site surfing for 7 hours a day. And that's a full-time waster. But what if it wasn't? What if you could spend a fraction of that same time online and pay some bills with it? Nope, not a contest, not an Egyptian monument scheme, and certainly not Kant Cardone, Lai Topaz, or Gilly Bean. Or maybe I got that backwards and those guys are great. But domains, yes, domains, .coms, URLs, you know them. Some of you are like, who's Earl? But in all seriousness, my scroll addiction robbed me of my focus, my relationships, and time wasted is money wasted. But when I discovered domain flipping, I was still able to get my screen fix or daily social dose. And I made enough money to quit my job so I could spend more time with my screen. Now you're probably like, whoa, Jamie, what the heck? You just said screen time was bad. Now you're saying do more of it? No, I said time spent scrolling, that can't buy a rollie, is wasted time. So all jokes aside, how are you monetizing and paying bills with the time that you spend online? Full stop, rewind, domain flipping. Domain flipping is when you acquire an available domain name for pennies on the dollar, and that domain is extremely valuable to one person who purchases it from you. So if you'd like to get your fixin' and start domain flipping, I've put together an entire course for you. Not just one piece of the puzzle, everything that you need to know. And you know, it really ticks me off that in Guru Land, they're always delivering an incomplete piece of something that you can't get a result with, right? So I'm gonna do something I've never done before and give it to you for $1. That means every damn domain flipping strategy I use to make $1 is yours for $1. And by the way, I domain flipped my way to 7 figures plus, and that's no claim. Because claims are made in the absence of fact, and all of my goods are tracked. There is so much more in badass class. Okay, so you can now use your thumb, we're done, swipe up, and I'll see you on the inside.